Hello students, let us continue the session on revision in the topic algebra. In today's session, we shall start with question 75 to 84, in which you need to change the statements, converting the expression into statements in ordinary language. Question 75 is: a pencil cost rupees P and a pen cost rupees 5p. If you want to write this particular statement in a simple one, you observe here the cost of pen, it is 5p, and the cost of pencil is p. So a pen costs 5 times the cost of a pencil. This is a simple statement in ordinary language. Statement number 76. Leela contributed rupees Y towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Leela is now left with rupees Y plus 10,000. Now let us make this as an ordinary statement. Leela contributed rupees Y towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Now she is left with rupees Y plus 10,000. It means the amount left with Leela is rupees 10,000 more than the amount she contributed towards Prime Minister's Relief Fund. 77th. Karthik is n years old and his father is 7n years old. So it means that age of Karthik's father is 7 times the age of Karthik. The maximum temperature on a day in Delhi was P degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature was P minus 10 degrees Celsius. Here, the minimum temperature on a day in Delhi was 10 degrees Celsius less than the minimum temperature. This is an ordinary statement. 80th. Sharad used to take P cups tea a day. After having some health problem, he takes P minus 5 cups tea a day. Here, the ordinary statement would be Sharad reduced the consumption of tea per day by 5 cups after having health problems. 81st. The number of students dropping out of school last year was M. Number of students dropping out of school this year is M minus 30. The ordinary statement would be the number of students dropping out this year is 30 less than the number of students dropped out last year? (82nd) Price of petrol was rupees p per liter last month. Price of petrol now is p minus 5 per liter. The price of petrol per liter decreased this month by rupees 5 than its price last month. Question 83. Kadir's monthly salary was rupees p in the year 2005. His salary in 2006 is rupees p plus 1000. So there's an increase. So the ordinary statement would be Kadir's monthly salary increased by rupees 1000 in 1000 in the year 2006 than that of 2005. 84th statement. The number of girls enrolled in a school last year was G. The number of girls enrolled this year in the school is 3G minus 10. The number of girls enrolled this year is 10 less than 3 times the girls enrolled last year. Question 85. Translate each of the following statements into an equation using x as a variable. In that first one, 13 subtracted from twice a number gives 3. If you're taking x to be the number, twice of the number is 2x and 13 is subtracted from twice of the number, so it is 2x minus 13 equal to 3. It gives 3. This is the equation representing the first statement. Let me change the color. B. 1/5 of a number is 5 less than the number. 1/5 of a number is x by 5. 5 less than the number is x minus 5. So x by 5 is equal to x minus 5. Next one. 2/3 of a number is 12. Very simple. 2/3 of a number, 2 by 3 times the x is equal to the number 12. So 2 by 3 x is equal to 12 is the equation representing the statement C. Next we have D. 9 added to twice a number gives 13. Twice a number is 2x. 9 is added to that, it gives 13. Next one. 1 subtracted from 1/3 of a number gives 1. 1/3 of a number is 1 by 3x. 1 is being subtracted from that and it gives 1. These are the expressions expressed in terms of equation. So these are the equations representing the given statements. Next one. Translate each of the following statements into an equation perimeter P of an equilateral triangle is 3 times its side. We all know that in an equilateral triangle there will be 3 equal sides. If perimeter is given by P, the side by A, perimeter will be 3 times A. This is for the first one. For the second, the diameter D of a circle is twice its radius. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Third one, the selling price S of an article or item is equal to sum of the cost price C of an item and profit P earned. The selling price is cost of the item C plus the profit earned P. Next, the last, D amount A is equal to the sum of principal P and interest I. Amount is given by A, principal is P, interest is I, so A is equal to P plus I. 87th, let Kanika's present age be X years. Complete the following table showing ages of her relatives. Her brother is 2 years younger. Kanika is X years, so her brother will be X minus 2 years. Her father's age exceeds her age by 35, so father's age will be X plus 35 years. Mother's age is 3 years less than that of the father, so it is X plus 35 minus 3. It's nothing but X plus 32 years. Her grandfather's age is 8 times her age. If grandfather is considered, it is 8 times of X years. Question 88. If M is a whole number less than 5, complete the following table by inspection of the table. Find the solution of the equation 2m minus 5 equal to 1. For m is equal to 0, if m is 0, then 2m minus 5 will be same as 2 times of 0 minus 5. This will be negative 5. If you are taking m value to be 1, then 2m minus 5 will be equal to 2 times of 1 minus 5, which is 2 minus 5. This is equal to negative 3. If the value of m is taken to be, say, 2, 2m minus 5 will be equal to 2 times of 2 minus 5, which is 4 minus 5, nothing but negative 1. If the value of m is taken as 3, 2m minus 5 will be equal to 2 times of 3 minus 5, which is 6 minus 5, positive 1. If m value is taken as 4, 2m minus 5 will be equal to 2 times 4 minus 5, which will be equal to 8 minus 5, positive 3. Now we need to find the solution of the equation. When do we get 2m minus 5 as negative 1? You observe the table. Here m minus 5 is negative 1 for the value m equal to 2. Therefore, the solution of the equation solution of the equation two m minus 5 equal to negative 1 is m equal to positive 2. This is by mere observation in the given table. Question 89. A class with P students has planned a picnic. Rupees 50 per student is collected, out of which rupees 1800 is paid in advance for transport. How much money is left with them to spend on other items? Let me consider the number of students as P. Here the total amount collected by P students will be rupees 50p. Now the amount paid in advance for transport is rupees 1800. Therefore, the amount left with them will be equal to rupees 50p minus 1800. With this question, I'll end today's session. We shall take up few more questions in the next session. Thank you.